Hello, it's Peter Baker from voiceovermasterclass.com with 3 top tips today to boost your income as a voiceover artist. How can you stand out and stay in demand as these AI cloned voices become more prevalent for narration work? The truth is, human nuance still sells and always will, but marketing yourself with clarity and strategy is much more important than ever. Tip 1. Stop selling just voice. Sell a solution. You see, clients don't want just a voice. They want someone who solves the problem fast and well. And by specializing in a niche, for example, medical narration, e-learning, luxury brand ads, gaming characters, you move from being one of many to one to call. Plus, if you can solve any of their other problems, such as also offering video sync work or multiple voices for one project, that's even better. So pick 1 to 2 niches you're strongest in or passionate about. Rebrand your site or demo tags to focus on the buyer's needs. And remember, create tailored demos, not just generic reels. So you'd have separate show reels for medical, real estate, tourism guides, technology, corporate, awards ceremony, training, kids stories, and so on. So once you know that client is in that particular niche, you don't tell them about the other things you can do. You just say you are an expert on that niche, send them the show reel to prove it. Mixed show reels are great for agents to show off your versatility, but don't use mixed show reels unless you really have to. Yes, put it on your website, but at the end of the day, you're going to get more work by contacting end clients direct, aren't you? You know this. End clients want to know you're going to be at home in their particular niche. Tip 2, use LinkedIn as a content platform, not just a resume. Why this works? Big decision makers in media, corporate training, advertising, production, they hang out on LinkedIn. They don't hang out on Facebook, Instagram, not even Fiverr. They want to see a real professional, not just hear a voice. So here's how to do it. You optimize your profile to say what you do and who you help and who you have helped. You need to post short, value-based content at least weekly, behind-the-scenes clips, recent work such as TV ads you've done voices for, cartoons, corporate videos with your voice on. You do need to ask permission unless they're in the public domain already. You can also give voiceover tips for clients. That's a great one. Works for me. Niche insights like how to choose the right voiceover for e-learning. And of course, you put in all the characteristics that you have. Tip 3. Now, this may be a controversial thing. Clone and license yourself before someone else with a voice similar to yours does. In other words, leverage, don't fear AI. There's no point doing it anymore. There's no point battling AI. AI has never been the enemy, actually. Being unknown is. And the genie's out the bottle. We can't turn back time. And by cloning and licensing your voice ethically and with control, you open up passive income streams and you protect your identity. So look into partnering with ethical AI voice companies. Do some research. I can tell you 3 that I can recommend. Respeecher, 11 Labs, or Voice123's AI opt-in that let you license and control usage, not steal your voice, and you get money for doing nothing? Well, no, it's quite a lot of work to set up a decent quality thing. But then it's passive income. And then you can offer AI clone add-ons to regular clients, and this is for long form stuff. You know, you get a training script, 10 hours, oh, do I really have to do this? You don't want to do it. The client doesn't want to wait. So they're quite happy with an AI version of your voice for long form or high volume content. As long as you give them clear pricing tiers and clear boundaries, everybody's happy. Make it known, however, you are a human-first voice talent who uses tech to scale, not to replace your craft. To scale, not to replace. Very important. Look, the future of voiceover isn't man versus machine. It's authenticity and adaptability. Those who treat their business like a brand, not just a craft, will lead the next era of voiceover work. And if you'd like me to train you more about the world of voiceover and revamping your marketing, please check out voiceovermasterclass.com. That's voiceovermasterclass.com. voiceovermasterclass.com. Thanks for watching.